Instagram, Facebook. First thing I want you to know, this is Mark Morris, tooltobeathebroke.com. I'm preparing for my next dental appointment. You know me, Mark Morris. I almost lost my teeth when I missed meals. Got teased in high school, got teased in grade school, went to all-man high school, got teased. Didn't do anything about my teeth. Till one day I went into the counselor's office at Vermont High School and talked to Miss Mills. She said, Martin, have you thought about fixing your teeth? I have one teeth here, teeth all over. She's like, have you thought about fixing your teeth? And I said, no, not really. As soon as I got home, I looked up dentists. After begging my parents for about a couple of more weeks, they took me to see the dentist. Found out I had a rare gum disease, and if I hadn't gone to get the dental checked out, I would have lost my teeth by 18. So thank you, Miss Mills. So I probably have since then, I have over 38 years going to dentists. You know, you have the good and the bad. So I'm going to go to the dentist this week for a cleaning. I thought I'd give you some tips. So like some of you haven't gone to the dentist in a while. Some of you that are like, oh, Martin, I'm going to go for a cleaning. What do you think I should do? 38 years, had the rare gum disease. I've tried every dental product known on planet Earth. I want to help you. One thing you can do, just brush your teeth. That's it. Nothing, just brush. I don't know how you brush. Use your brush, you use your finger. Just brush your teeth. I didn't even say floss. I say just brush. Try that. And then go to the dentist. Now, if you want to learn more, give you more 38 years of experience, I have a $39.99 program. I give you 3 best ways to clean your teeth. If you want a little bit more information, I'll work with you. We'll talk about some of your dental things, go over some of your dental fears. And that's a $99 program. And I'll go give you my 6-7 ways I do your teeth. Give you some different procedures, 2 or 3 you may want to consider doing and looking into. And then the reason I want you to do that is because if you don't have good teeth, I mean, people are going to think you're on crack. People are going to call you yellow teeth. You don't want to be older. People think you're a crack, or is he money? Does he have money? Is he this? Is he that? Just go fix your teeth, man. That's what I want to help you do, especially with this internet generation. You don't want to, unless you're going to be showing you smoking crack, or you just in a bayou or something like that where you don't have any dentists. I don't want you to be like that. I want you to at least have some decent teeth. Some could be missing, 1 or 2. But have them mostly look as good as possible. At the very least, go get your teeth clean, man. Because I don't want you to get that rare gum disease I have. You don't want to find out that you got to get your teeth replaced, or you got to have this massive surgery. They got to put the bone marrow in and all kind of stuff. It's miserable, man. Injection. We're going to break your mouth up to 3 or 4 injections. Always filling a needle. Who wants to be 16, 17, 18? Shit, unless I'm like Grant Cardone loading up on cocaine or meth or whatever you put in a needle. Nobody wants to be sitting in a damn dental office every couple of months. Got to put a new bone in. Got to put a new bone in. And then after you get the new bone in, I got to keep it clean. And after I get it clean, I got to get the braces. I have to get the braces. Your teeth messed up. Let's get you some braces. Huh? Tighten. The sooner you do it, the more happy you'll be. So that's what I want you guys to do today. If you're preparing to go to the dentist, number 1 tip, clean, because I don't want you to go through that experience of, oh, you got to have a root canal, you got to have your teeth pulled, you got to have your teeth whitened, all this stuff. The sooner you get used to it, the better. So at least if you're going, you're in control, and you don't have the dentist saying, hey, you can do this. You have the option of doing it, but if you don't do it, this don't want to happen. You don't want that weighing on your mind. $39.90. So if you're ready to act, subscribe to my channel. Go to 202beatherbroke.com. Get your email. I'll send you my monthly email. I'll give you some things I've been learning about just from my dental experience. If you can learn from my 38 years of experience, I can help you save yourself an extra $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, or at least give you some things that yes, you should do the aesthetic beautifying thing. Even if you think it's cheesy, you think you look like a salesman, or you think he'll make fun of you like you see on the cartoons, you best do it, especially in the internet age. And now with AI coming, God knows you better look good. You want to look better than that robot next to you. 202beatherbroke.com, 202beatherbroke.com. Subscribe to this channel. 2, I have a $39.99, $999 programs. P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. $99, $39, $999 checks. Work with you. I can be your dental advisor. First thing to do, remember, if you're going to the dentist this week for a cleaning or any procedure, number 1 tip I'm going to give you, clean your teeth.